Butterflies, with their vibrant colors and graceful flight, have captivated human hearts for centuries. These enchanting creatures, scientifically known as Lepidoptera, hold a special place in the natural world as symbols of transformation and beauty. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of butterflies, their life cycle, intricate physical adaptations, ecological importance, and the wonder they inspire in both scientists and nature enthusiasts. Life cycle and metamorphosis. The life cycle of a butterfly is a captivating journey of transformation. It begins with a tiny, oval-shaped egg laid on a host plant. From the egg emerges a caterpillar, also known as a larva. The caterpillar undergoes a series of molts, shedding its exoskeleton as it grows, until it reaches its final stage. In this stage, the caterpillar attaches itself to a surface and forms a chrysalis or pupa. Inside the chrysalis, a miraculous transformation takes place, as the caterpillar undergoes a remarkable process called metamorphosis, emerging as a beautifully winged adult butterfly. Physical adaptations and flight. Butterflies possess a range of physical adaptations that enable their graceful flight and enhance their survival. Their bodies are covered in delicate scales, which give their wings their vibrant colors and patterns. These scales also help to regulate body temperature and protect the wings from damage. The wings of butterflies are incredibly lightweight, with intricate venation that provides strength and flexibility for flight. By flapping their wings in a figure-eight motion, butterflies can hover, glide, and navigate through various environments with precision and elegance. Ecological importance. Butterflies play a vital role in the ecosystem as pollinators. As they visit flowers in search of nectar, they inadvertently transfer pollen from one flower to another, facilitating plant reproduction. This mutualistic relationship between butterflies and plants helps maintain biodiversity and ensures the production of fruits, seeds, and a healthy ecosystem. Additionally, butterflies serve as a food source for various predators, contributing to the intricate web of life within their habitats. Biodiversity and conservation. Butterflies exhibit an astonishing diversity, with over 18,000 known species worldwide. Each species has its own unique characteristics, preferred habitats, and host plants. Unfortunately, many butterfly species face significant threats due to habitat loss, climate change, pesticide use, and pollution. Conserving butterfly populations and their habitats is essential for preserving biodiversity and the delicate balance of ecosystems. Creating butterfly-friendly gardens, supporting habitat restoration efforts, and promoting sustainable practices are crucial steps towards ensuring the survival of these delicate masterpieces. The symbolic significance. Butterflies have long held symbolic significance in various cultures around the world. They are often associated with transformation, rebirth, and the ephemeral nature of life. Their enchanting presence has inspired artists, poets, and storytellers throughout history, serving as a reminder of the beauty and fragility of our natural world. Conclusion. Butterflies, with their captivating life cycle, intricate physical adaptations, and ecological importance, are truly nature's delicate masterpieces. They remind us of the wonders of transformation, the interconnectedness of life, and the need for conservation. By appreciating and protecting butterflies, we can ensure that these ethereal creatures continue to grace our gardens, meadows, and forests, bringing joy, color, and inspiration to our lives and the world around us. The enchanting world of butterflies reveals the marvels of nature's delicate masterpieces. Their life cycle and metamorphosis, physical adaptations and flight, ecological importance, biodiversity, and symbolic significance all contribute to the captivating allure of these creatures. As we explore their world, let us remember the importance of conservation and the role we play in preserving these delicate wonders. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of butterflies. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more captivating explorations of nature's wonders. Until next time, stay curious and keep discovering the magic that surrounds us.